Okay, okay. Come on. There we go, there we go. There we go again, right there at that spot. Come on. That's a bigger fish, guys. Nice, nice, nice. What's going on, guys? Thanks for checking out Coastal Fever TV. This is your first time here? Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying the content. Speaking of subscribing, guys, we're almost there. We're almost to 100. We're very close. So if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button, because once we get to 100, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I've got some shirts, I've got some stickers, I've got some tackle. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can get to 100 and I can do the giveaway. Anyway, guys, today I'm out at one of my favorite spots and I'm going to be trying a buzz bait. I'm going to be trying the Monsterbass Patriot 2.0, and I also got some finesse baits tied on. And I got a few hours to fish this morning. Wanted to take you guys along with me, so let's go fishing. Okay, guys, so this is the buzz bait I have tied on this morning. This is the Reaction Strike Reaction Buzz, and I haven't fished a buzz bait in a very long time, so looking forward to this. Hoping I can get a bite. Normally topwater is not that great here for me, but hey, we'll see. And all I'm gonna do, guys, is just kind of fan cast it around. An absolutely beautiful morning. Temperature's not too bad right now. Blue skies, sun's coming up. Good to be out. Some topwater action, but they're just not interested in this. At least not the ones that are hitting on the top right now. All right, I'm still gonna leave this on. I really want to try that Monsterbass Patriot 2.0. Try that for a little bit. You can always go back to the buzz bait. So that's the Monsterbass Patriot 2.0. Let's see what we do here. Kind of like a walk the dog type of feature here. That's cool. Close. Ooh, look at that. Gotta get back out there. And of course, let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try a little finesse bait fishing. I'm still gonna keep the Patriot tied on for now. And I'm still gonna keep the buzz bait tied on, just in case I see him busting, but I'm gonna try a little bit of Yum Dinger fishing. Color I'm gonna go with is the Bama Bug, cross between June Bug and Green Pumpkin, kind of the best of both worlds. And I'm using Barefoot Tackle 4/0 EWG hooks. And I used this about a week ago, and had some really good luck with it. Really good hook. So let's see what we get. See if we can get a bite with the good old Yum Dinger. Okay, okay. Come on. Little, very little. Very little. Very little. But hey, we got ourselves a bass. So there's a little one. Breaks the ice. Come on. There we go. Stay down. There's a bigger fish. Yep. All right. Ooh, nice. Nice, let's get him in here. Don't bury yourself, come on. That's a bigger fish, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's go. Look at that. That is a bigger fish. All right, let's get a scale on that one. He's probably pushing 3. He's probably pushing 3. Let's scale him up. Wait for it to zero out here. There we go. Pushing. There we go. 2.4. I will take it. That is nice. Let me put him in the water for a second because I want to get a photo with him. 2.4 pounds. Nice 2-pounder. We're gonna get a revival here. There she goes. Okay. So retied. That was great. That's one of the bigger ones I pulled out of here in a while. I got him on the Yum Dinger, Bama Magic, or no, I'm sorry, the Bama Bug. And you guys could see it was just sitting on the bottom and right here in this area, because there's a deep drop off here and there's also a deep drop off here. So I'll just pull it across the bottom. Usually I can pick up a strike or two every now and again, you know. There we go, there we go. There we go again, right there at that spot. He's much, much smaller than the last one. But hey, I'll take it. Nice. Right in the bottom of the mouth. Little smallie. Well, not a small mouth, but a little small largemouth bass. Just a little dink. Go on, buddy. Go grow up. There we go. Oh my gosh, he's tiny. Oh, he's a baby. Oh, he's so little. Look how little he is. You're just little, buddy. What are you doing? Look how little. Tiny little fish. Get you out there past the grass. Oh gosh, he had it. Come on, come back for him. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, he took the bait. Son of a gun. Look at that. Okay guys, let's worm fish. Let's go with watermelon candy. Okay guys, so the first worm I'm gonna try out is the watermelon candy Culprit. Seven and a half inch. There we go. There we go. All right. He's not too bad either. Got him on the watermelon candy worm. Look at the way I hooked him. Wow. All right, come here. Come here. Cool. Got him in the bottom of the lip. That's why he's bleeding. Okay, 5 fish. Look at his dorsal. Little, I mean, that's it. Interesting. Okay, on the worm. All right, buddy. All right, guys, so not a bad day. Caught 5 fish. They seem to want a slower presentation. Just got those 2 rolls on the topwater, one on the buzz bait and one on the Patriot 2.0. But still, great day to get on the water. 5 fish, I'll take it. Any day fishing is a good day. So, guys, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you've made it this far in the video, do me a favor. Down in the comments, please put almost to 100. Because we're almost there, guys. I can't wait to get there because I can't wait to do the giveaway for you guys. So smash that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you watching. And until next time, guys, keep living life coastal and keep catching.